long hair. An amazing story. Once there was a girl named Lila. She had very long and beautiful hair, and she took great care of it. People would always compliment her hair. All the compliments got to her head. She started teasing people with short hair. She showed off her long hair even more than before. One day, as she was sitting at a chair, a piece of gum got stuck to her hair. Lila tried really hard, but she couldn't get it off. She tried washing her hair and pulling the gum out, but nothing worked. Finally, she had to go to the hairdresser and get her beautiful, long hair chopped. Her hair that had flowed endlessly now barely reached her shoulder. Lila realized that all her pride was false. She had hurt many of her good friends because of it. Lila learned her lesson. She was never proud or haughty again. Moral: pride keeps us away from caring for others. Thank you for watching.